Good morning. My name's Rob Hoback. This message is for Kobe and Jared Glover at the Jim Glover store in Owasso. Hey, I'm sending you a video because I want to come buy a truck today. I had reached out to Kobe yesterday about a truck. I don't know if that one's going to work, but I think you got several down there. And I've decided that I want to come down there today and buy a truck. Why am I telling you this? Because I want you to know why I came to that realization. Number one, I've lived here for 6.5, 7 years. And just in the last year, like things have just like taken off, right? And God has been very good to us. And so we're in the market for a truck. And I've been looking for, I don't know, 6 months, just, kind of taking my time. And I'm just ready. I'm ready. And so, like I said, I always decided that I would give you guys a shot. And so I sent out several feelers. You and another dealership are by far the best at being responsive and all those things. And plus, I feel like there's a connection, which that's what your commercials are meant to do, right? That you form a relationship with us, even though you don't know us. We're connecting to you. So great job on that. And then, as if that wasn't enough, I came home the other day and my queen says, "Hey, come here, take a look at this." And I said, "What is it?" She's like, "Oh, it's this Facebook group because we're getting ready to go to Disney and she wants to do the VIP deal." And I was like, all right, she's in charge of all that, right? And so as soon as she shows me her phone in the Facebook group, I'm like, "That's Jared Glover." And she's like, "Yeah." She's like, "That's who it is, Bob." And we're chatting about it. And I'm like, "Oh man, we're going to go to Disney and we're going to roll like the Glovers." And she's like, "Yeah, it appears that way," which I think that's just awesome, right? Which again, just example number 10,000 of my charm life. But nonetheless, right? So last night when I sent out the first feeler to Kobe and he, called me back within 5 minutes. I was sitting at dinner with my queen and my oldest son who like to team up and make fun of me. Mostly because they're just intimidated by my general awesomeness. But nonetheless, as I was chatting with them, the phone rang and I'm like, "Excuse me, my boy Jared's calling to talk about that truck." And I answer the phone, it's Kobe, we joke, blah, blah, blah. And so I put the phone down and that you're like, "Well, you think he's going to ask you to be in a commercial?" I'm like, "You never know, he might. I'm available." And so let's wrap this up. I'm coming down today, I want to buy a truck. I'll work with Kobe, but I would like to meet Jared. I don't want it to be weird when I say, "Hey, before I sign up, I want to just meet Jared," right? I don't want a lot of your time. Maybe like a couple minutes, say hi, maybe get a picture made. And I think we should work on like a hand signal for Roland Glover style, whatever that is, right? Roland VIP. And and I would tell you this, that my budget, probably about $40,000 for this truck. But the queen, she's in the market. She's got this fat ass Lexus GX 460 that we need to trade in because my kids are getting bigger and there's a lot of us and it's just not enough room. So she's in the market and that's probably close to double that, right? So this could be a very productive relationship. I just want to give you a heads up, let you know that we're going to be coming down there and you need to work on that hand signal. All right. I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.